The main motivation for purchasing universal robots was especially for replacing manual work with robots. So all work which is manually repeated all the time is robot now handling much better than workers.
Smo v podjetju Izoelektro, jaz sem direktor, v katerem je zaposleno približno 14 ljudi. V tem podjetju proizvajamo izdelke iz oplaščene za silikonsko gumo in ti izdelki so namenjeni za elektrodistribucijo.
We are very pleased with the service, with the technical support they offered us. The maintenance is very easy. The programming is it's not so difficult because the universal robots gave us sessions that helped us a lot. The cleaning and the robot is not too difficult, so we are very happy about it. This robot provides routine tests for our products. Till now, the employees have to stand by this testing gear and they have to test all day, and it's a lot of products to be tested.
We have now a robot for 9 months and it quite improved our production. Our plan is to acquire at least 4 to 5 robots in next 2 years.